Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Boss Don. Another vlog. House a little dirty. Well, we got some things for y'all today. We got Sophia over here. Looks like she out of it. About to have some puppies dropping soon. Mr. Pancake. Mr. Pancake, that pink husky. Where that boy at? Yeah, man. Got some things going on for y'all. Let these guys out. Going outside. Outside, come on. Come on, bro. You know what I'm saying? He outside. Come on, Sophia. Bro, take yourself outside, bro. We gotta get her up out of here. Come on, Sophia. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Wanna come out? We gotta get her out though, one way or another, so she can go use the bathroom. And then I'm gonna go outside. And show y'all this new tent we got on the track halt. Cause it's pretty dark. It's pretty dark. And here we are. The motherfucking track halt, man. Just got the motherfucker cleaned up yesterday. Got the side windows tinted, 5%, well, passenger. The backs already was done, doubled up, so you know it's nice and dark. And then we got the half front window, which got a little dirty last night. And then we got one major problem. The fucking check engine light then came on this motherfucker, so I'm gonna get back to y'all. Once I get the AutoZone, they get this shit checked out, cause it don't make no sense. I just got this car, then drove it probably like 2,500 miles, and the check engine light came on. But we gonna nip that in the bud ASAP, cause there's no tolerance for that shit automatically, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get in the car and we headed to the AutoZone. So I'm gonna get back at y'all. So we're currently in the track halt, and you see the check engine light is on. So we gotta get that checked out, bro, cause that don't make no sense, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't get it. So we gonna set y'all up right here. You see that boy? That worsen boy in the back? Now we get y'all right. Let's set this thing in. Yeah, so we're gonna go get us some food right quick from the AutoZone. I mean, not the we're gonna go get us some food at the damn Waffle House. And then once we do that, we're gonna go head over to the AutoZone and see what is going on. And then after that, we gotta get a thermometer for Sophia, cause I don't want her to have these puppies. Oh man, type shit. These about to be some pinks. So but yeah, man, it don't make no sense that this check engine light came on last night. So this dude right here. Anything you want to say in the camera?
Yeah. I know you guys know me from my channel.
And if you don't know his channel is called The World of John Jr. For all the kids want to see some kid content. My boy got about 4,000 subscribers so far and counting. So
That's a lot.
that's not really a lot. It's enough. So,
Mama's gonna get a play button.
so
It's
yeah,
gonna be like
you gotta keep grinding, bro. You gotta keep grinding. I actually gotta edit one of his videos. So we're almost at the Waffle House, and I'm gonna get back to y'all once we get to the daggone AutoZone and check on why this daggone light is on, which has got me kind of furious. Cause I don't get it, man. Ain't no way. But I got a warranty on here, so I don't know where. Cause this is not. I don't see. Oh, it's right here. So we made it here at the Waffle House, and it looks kind of packed, man. So I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get back in the car to go to the AutoZone, man. So I'm about to back my shit up right here, bro. This shit be doing that dumbest shit.